Hey guys, welcome to Rama.
Let's begin the room tour here. Directly on the left side, you have a nice little table. I guess you can put your keys there. And a nice mirror on top. Hey guys. Let's continue here. There's a door that leads, I guess, to an adjacent room next door, which if you needed 2 rooms, you can get that. There is a small kitchen table, or eating table, let's say, with 2 chairs. You have a coffee maker, 2 complimentary bottles of water I see on there, some coffee, some tea, and then all of the assorted creamers and sugars that you would need for that. Over here you have your ice bucket, your television, a little console here with some drawers, mini fridge. Let's open that up for you so you can take a look inside. And it is empty, which is great, so you can put all your beverages that you're gonna need for your night or your weekend here. The seating area has a chair, a coffee table, and a couch. Let's move on to the bedroom here, where you have your king-size bed, 2 lamps, or 1 lamp on either side, a telephone on one side, and also something that I don't find in all hotel rooms is a clock radio.
Okay, honey, it's time to check the comfort. Ready? I think it's comfortable.
And let's get to the closet here. Let's open that up all the way, both sides. Okay, great. You have your luggage rack, an ironing board, iron, a safe on the top. Looks like it's an extra blanket up here. Yes, it is. Some hangers and a laundry bag. Okay, let's move on to the bathroom. Bathroom here has a single sink. It looks like there's a serious echo in here. Hey guys, again. They give you lots of towels, a blow dryer here, some cups. Let's see what this is here. That is a hydrating lotion by Earth Tempo. You have a little soap dish with a soap in there, a close-up makeup mirror. Hey guys. As you move over here to the side, there is a massive shower. This is huge. Open the door here, go inside. So standard shower head. There's a grab bar in here. And you have your shampoo and bath gel. Actually, you have your shampoo with conditioner and your moisturizing bath gel. All products by Earth Tempo. Which I've never heard of, but we'll see if we like those. Other side here, you also have a tub, which is great. You don't find that too often in hotel rooms, with a separate shower and tub, and another full-length mirror, so you can check yourself out before you head out for the evening. And then obviously, the toilet on the end. Now, one thing I didn't mention to you here is there is also a gas fireplace with a nice little mantle and more art on top. We'll turn that on in a second. Now finally onto the view. We just got a basic suite here, but the view here is actually not bad. It looks like we're looking onto a little courtyard in the back here. In the distance, you can see some empty fields. And it looks like we have a nice view of the roof. There's not too many floors in this hotel, so we are on floor number 6. Unless you're looking out the front of the building, this is somewhat of the view that you would get, because here are all the hotel rooms from the back end.